First week in August 2008, it's time for the Evergreen Scale Rally, held at Molalla, Oregon, at Grant Sharp's Field. Skyways and World War I Arrow. A new address. Post Office Box 730, Red Hook, New York, 12571. New phone. Area code 845-835-8121. Give them a call. You'll never regret it. Okay, here we are at Grant Sharp's Field for the 2008 running of the Evergreen Scale Masters Qualifier. Kelly Martin's going to fly his third scale Piper Cup for us, so let's do it, Kelly. Brakes, he's got brakes. There he goes. It's Saturday afternoon. It's been raining this morning, but not hard. But it's gorgeous right now for flying. Okay, Kelly's going to do a flyby for us. It's overcast. Touch and go. You've got brakes on this little jewel. Well done, well done. He's going to qualify and go to Sarasota, Florida with us this year.
There you go. Okay, and
Kelly's going to do an inspection flight here for us. A photo flight. That's called a photo flight.
there you go.
Yeah, very nice.
Is that pretty? Right now I gotta get this.
Oh, yeah, it's got to be an ARF.
I don't think it is. This is got so.
Uh-oh. Mr. Dunn himself.
Did you break the Did you break the backpack?
Okay, Kelly Martin's going to do a wing over for us. There we go. Up, up, and over. Kelly's practicing, we're in trouble. Okay, we got a arrow shell, laser, or extra something passing out. Okay, Don is rolling. What's he going to do on takeoff? He's going to do a snap right now.
Why?
Nope.
Coming out.
Daddy?
There's Garrett, his co-pilot. Right, Garrett? You going to learn to fly, are you?
Can you wave to him, Garrett?
Okay. He's got engine problems. Okay, a low flyby for Kelly Martin. Nicely done.
What?
Go around, go around. Go around. Good one. Okay, Kelly's coming in for a landing. Nicely done. Now he has brakes. And very nice. Hey, I'm ready. Rick Dunn is taking off into the rain. It just now started raining again, just slightly. Okay, we got our company photographer here, Reese, taking videos, or taking stills.
Didn't want it, so
Taking this still of Robert Terhune and his PT-19.
Hand underneath.
Everybody gets their picture taken.
Other hand over your mouth.
Robert Terhune with his PT-19. Sato 150. He's in the air. Okay, we're coming in for a flyby or overshoot, one of the two. He flaps down. It's a gorgeous day here, a little overcast, but great flying weather. Okay, Robert's going to do a nice roll to the right for us. Well done. Okay, we're going to do a loop-de-loop here, he says. Nicely done, just like a pro. Okay, Robert's got the flaps down now for a touch and go. Oh, how about that, sports fans?
He was flying the real thing, and he was overshooting, overshooting the runway, so he was going to go around. He just, snatched the flaps up.
I'll be darned.
Nearly.
Shandell coming up. He's practicing. It's good. That's good. It's good. Split S. Okay, this is going to be a full stop landing, Robert says. It's still Friday afternoon. Very nice. Now he's going to taxi back for us. And engine shutdown. Very good. Paul Haynes is up for his test flight on Friday afternoon with his Newport 28 in U.S. Navy colors. Very nice, Paul. From Redmond, Oregon. Kelly Martin's go out for another one. Spinning around on one wheel with brakes. What a guy.
How fun, huh?
Okay, his co-pilot said go.
Go! Go, Dad!
He's got to test his brakes. Okay, Paul's going to show us how to do a loop right in front of the judges. Nicely done. Got the last part of it. There it goes. Okay. Okay, Paul Haynes is coming home. He's down. Nice one, Paul. Okay, the 1/3 scale Cub is coming home.
That was Perfect.
He's down. Okay, Rick Dunn's going to show it how to take off. Proto takeoff. Well done. Well, it looks like he's practicing a descending circle or something with his championship tiger moth. Okay, Rick Dunn's going to do a touch and go for us here. Gorgeous day for flying. There's no wind. Look at that, sports fans. That's a 10. Okay, Jeremy Firstman from Renton, Washington. Or somewhere up there, right? Jeremy Snoqualmie, that's it. Bringing his championship tiger moth in. First place in the U.S. Scale Masters Championships and first place in the Canadian Nationals. How do you beat that, sports fans? There he is, straight from Snoqualmie, Washington.
Well, now I have to trade chairs.
Okay, Jeremy's going to show us a full stop landing here. Three-pointer. How do you beat that? Very good, Jeremy. Rick Dunn is down. He's going to go for another touch and go. Okay, Rick's coming home this time. Full stop. Very nice.
Its own, and just got the speed, just like I like it. So.
Good flight, Rick.
Thank you.
Sean Wilson taking off with his aerobatic aircraft. What is it, Sean?
The Mayhem 40.
A Man 40?
Mayhem.
A Mayhem 40. That means you do all kinds of mayhem.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. He's an expert already. He's only, what, 12 years old?
15.
Here goes the Hellcat again. Uh-oh. He made it. He needs bigger wheels. Okay, Sean is coming home. And Sean is not 12 years old, he's 15 years old. Nice one. There he is with a big smile on his face. Good going.
Thanks.
Okay, Friday night, Evergreen Qualifier 2008. Dick Hansen's going to do a test flight. Off. Okay, here comes Dick for a pass or touch and go or something. Like a touch and go. Okay, here comes Richard for another pass, maybe another touch and go. He's practicing. Got a little electric powered Satabri in the air. There's a loop wing over. There's another touch and go for Dick.